In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN and verify your new IP address. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Before we begin, make sure NordVPN is already installed on your device and you're signed in with an active account. Once that's set, go ahead and open the NordVPN application. You'll see a map view and a list of countries or servers. If the app asks for permission to add a VPN configuration, that's normal. Allow it so your device can route traffic securely. Next, let's connect to a server. You can use the Quick Connect button if you want the app to choose the best option automatically based on load and distance. If you prefer control, pick a specific country from the list or the map. Choosing a server closer to your physical location generally gives you faster speeds, while selecting another region can help you appear as if you're browsing from that location. After you select a server, wait a moment for the connection status to show that the VPN is active. You'll usually see a connected message or a green indicator, and sometimes a small VPN icon in your device's status bar. With the VPN connected, it's time to confirm your new IP address. Open your web browser and head to NordVPN's What's My IP tool, or simply go to a search engine and type, "What is my IP address?" The page will display an IP address and often a general location like a city or country. What you're seeing now should be the IP address of the VPN server you connected to, not your real one. That's the core benefit here. Your real IP is hidden and your online traffic is routed through the secure server. If the location displayed doesn't match the country you selected, don't worry. Many IP databases show an approximate region, and it may reflect a nearby city rather than the exact server location. If it still looks like your home region, reconnect to a different server and refresh the page to check again. Also, if a website seems stuck on an old location, clearing your browser cache or trying a private window can help refresh the IP data it's using. That's all you need. Open NordVPN, connect to a server, and verify your IP in the browser. Keep the app running while you browse to maintain protection, and disconnect in the app when you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy safer, more private browsing.